And we are live, PitchGrounders. Welcome to this webinar with OneHash, a new SaaS that we have launched on PitchGround. If you're watching this, chances are you're watching the replay. So stay tuned till the end because we would have answered a lot of questions that would be going on in your mind because we will answer every single question in this webinar and then we will end this webinar. Yes, no questions would be unanswered. So what is OneHash? OneHash is for you, business owner, if you want like a CRM software. And if you don't know if you want a CRM or not, then there are benefits of CRM. You, especially for the sales pipeline, etc. You already know it. Do I really need to repeat why you need a CRM? CRM is like the most popular tool for sales reps and your business. Every business, in short, would need a CRM solution. So why not OneHash? So this is what that's what we're gonna showcase in this webinar today. So let's wait for more people to join in, and we're gonna showcase how you can get started with OneHash for your business. So keep your questions ready, and until then, let's wait for more people to join in. I'll play the video.
If you are a small or middle-sized business, in today's world you need to have both CRM and ERP systems in place. What is CRM? CRM or Customer Relationship Management refers to the technology.
You really want another video like this? I'll tell you what it is. CRM is when your customer comes to you and feels that you do care about them, that you won't forget their name, what goods they buy and how often they do it. You won't lose their number and you won't forget to call back. That's where you build customer relationships that will last a lifetime. On the other hand, ERP is something that your customers wouldn't see, but it really helps you to get rid from a whole lot of troubles with sales, assets, inventory, loans, receivables, payments, taxes, salaries, employees, blah, 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 blah. OneHash is the world's best solution so far because it has both CRM and ERP under one roof. Close faster with the world's best smart CRM. Manage your finances with the smart accounting software. Keep an eye on your production process using smart manufacturing ERP software. Reinvent sales and supply chain management. Upgrade your style of work with a smart project management tool. Uplift customer service to the next level with a smart help desk software. And even build stunning websites with the world's #1 smart website builder. That's what CRM plus ERP is all about. That's OneHash. Get your lifetime deal now at PitchGround.com.
Awesome. So that was the intro video. If you like the intro video, smash the like button. I'm just acting like a YouTuber. You might have seen those YouTubers. So yeah. So if you still don't know what CRM will do to your business, let me tell you, CRM is the #1 tool. I was about to say #1 tool, and then I got mixed with OneHash. Anyway, so CRM is like the #1 tool that your business can get because it helps you in sales. It helps to organize the contact data. It's like maintains a centralized database for your sales teams, create sales reports, segments customers. There are like so many advantages. So right now we're going to show you how easy it is to use this solution. For that, I have a special guest with us. The whole team of OneHash is actually here in the tech, ready to answer every single question that you got. Let me add them. So hi, Alifia, how are you doing?
Hi, I'm good. How are you?
I'm fantastic this side. And what a day to do a webinar for OneHash.
Yeah. Okay.
So, yes. So, Alifia, quickly tell everyone, like, what are we gonna do today in today's webinar?
Yeah. So, hi guys. I hope everyone are having a good time of their lives right now at home. So today our agenda is we're gonna know how to set up a company or a business into a OneHash system. So this is the basic agenda for today. Other than that, we'll be answering all your questions, all your integrations, and all the related questions right here.
Absolutely, absolutely. I guess people have joined in. There are more than 20 people. So let's dive right in. You can share your screen.
Sure. I'll just share my screen.
So guys, in the meantime, during the presentation, if you have any kind of doubts, etc., feel free to ask them in the comments and we will answer them all. So about the lifetime deal, etc. And let me quickly share my screen before that. You can share your screen now if you don't, no problem.
Yeah.
So right now, what you see is the OneHash lifetime deal. It is just this. There's only one plan. There's no many plans either. So stay tuned till the end, and we're going to showcase everything: how the dashboard is, how the UI works, and how you can get started with OneHash. This is the lifetime deal. It's just the link is just above this video. If you're watching it on YouTube, it's below this video, and let's get started. Yep.
All right, I'll just share my screen now.
Sure.
So I guess my screen is visible.
Yes, it is visible.
Okay, guys. So this is the homepage of our OneHash our CRM which we have. So in the left, you can see all the modules listed over here. So let's stick to today's agenda. Before starting the webinar, let's I'll just tell us about our team, our company. So our company is based out of India in Indore and Bangalore. Other than that, we have our offices in Canada and US. We have 150 employees. We work as a team together, and presently we have 4,000 plus users. Right. So we'll just start off with the setup. Okay, so the setup process is very easy into our system. All we need to do is, first of all, we'll start with our company setup. This is the home page. In the home page only, you can see all the necessary modules which are to be set up into the system. So we'll start with the company. So company is the first thing which has to be set up into the system, right? So through this, you can arrange or have multiple companies into the system. You can create as many companies as you want. You can go to new, you can create company as a group, company tree, parent group, and so on. Again, which comes on with the different views: dashboard view, images view, tree view. So if you have a parent company and more company inside it, child companies, you can manage them all. Coming to the next thing, which is the most important one, number of users. So we have this users over here. So through this, we can add on as many users as you have registered. So these are the users which I have registered into my system. So say suppose I have one user named as Muhammad. Now say suppose these are the roles which I have given to the user, and now I want to make this user as an accounts user. So I can give the relevant permissions for the accounts to this user, and I'll just click on this account manager so I can see how many doc type permission this particular user has. Right, so this user will be stick up to only these permissions, and I can just save it. So whenever this user logs in into the system, the user will be able to access only these modules. Then quickly moving to the next part, we can also set up the bank account into our system. All right, so we can go to bank account, and through this we can create as many accounts as we want. The important thing is email account setup. So email account setup allows you to have the incoming as well as the outgoing mail into the system. So I'll just show you very quickly how it is done. These are the various default email accounts which are set up into the system. You can create new email accounts. You just need to fill in some important information and you are good to go. Other thing, which is the most important thing I say, is the letterhead setup. So in the letterhead, it is also a very crucial part of a company. You can set up your logo. So suppose for this company of mine, I have set up this logo. Okay, so I can attach an image into the system, and it gets easily attached, and it will be printed on all the print formats of my system. Other than that, I'll quickly come to the CRM module. And in the CRM module, we have various doc types starting from leads, following up to the quotation, dashboards. So all these things can be easily maintained over here. Okay, you can create it manually, or if you prefer the integration, then that's the best, because after integrating it with your website or your social media portals, the leads will be automatically fetched into the system. In the same way, you can have this opportunity, customer, all these things can be done or integrated or fetched into the system. Right. Now, other thing is suppose when you're starting a new company, or when you have an existing company and you are migrating from a older platform to a new platform into a OneHash, you don't have to enter the leads again and again into the system. You can directly go to menu, import, and import this thing through this Excel file into the system, which makes your process a lot easier. Then coming up to the print format, which is also an important thing, we go to the quotation. We select any of the quotation. here you can see this print format. So this is the standard print format that we give to the customers. So like this, you can see you can add up your letterhead, your company logo, say as we have entered ours. Now say suppose you need to make some changes in the fields of this, so you can simply go to the settings, customize. It is very easy process. You just need to drag and drop the fields over here and you save it and you're good to go. Your print format is set up for the quotation print format, and in the similar way you can do it for the invoices, for the sales order, and so on. The best thing is you just need to go to menu, need to go to email, and you can send this print format as an attachment to the email to any of your customers. And again, these messages are templatized, so you don't have to like repeat the message again and again. Once you write it, once you save it, just use that email again and again. Now, coming up to the next part, which is an important part, which is the email campaign which we provide. So these are the campaigns. So these are the various campaigns which we have: email campaign, campaign and social media posts. I'll just take you quickly through this. So these are the various campaign: the Facebook campaign, Instagram campaign, advertisements, so many things which we have. We can just enter them and we can write the send after days. So the campaigns will be follow up in that way. We can also set up the drip campaigns for our company and so on. Other things are the usual payment terms and conditions. So payment terms, however you take the money or cash from your customers, if you take it advance, you can have it advance. If you take it for 30% and whatever COD and all, whatever payment terms you follow, you can add it all over here. Other than that, we have the terms and conditions, again, which are templatized. You can just add your terms and conditions and it will fetch these terms and conditions every time you move into any print format or doc type. So these are the basic things which a company needs for the setup. So if you are you are newly migrating into the OneHash system from your existing system, or you are using the CRM for the first time, these particular steps will be very helpful for you to set up your company into the system. All right. Now coming up to the integrations of our system. So these are the integrations which we provide. I'll just go quickly to the integrations. These are the various integrations which are provided through OneHash. You can easily integrate your system through the API. Other than that, we have a very popular Facebook integration. So to integrate through Facebook, all we need to go to is Facebook settings. We need to log in with Facebook. It will open this small pop-up for us. So after that, we can continue as our company, and we just need to fetch form. We just need to select a page. We can fetch form. We need to select a form. So suppose this is my form, new leads, and then I just need to map over the fields, and there you go. All the leads will be automatically fetched into your OneHash system. What else do you need? So these are the integrations I talked about. Now let us talk about the features of our system. Features which we have recently developed. So say suppose in the CRM we have this lead for the B2B business. We want to know more about the industry. So say suppose this is the Reliance industry. I go to the enrich data. I click on the enrich, and it fetches me all the company related details, starting from the basic information, going to the bank information, the director, everything of this company will be easily fetched. Other than that, we have this enriched Finrich Plus into the system, which is an advanced form of Finrich. So in Finrich Plus, you can fetch up all the financial information of the company. So these are the things for the B2B business. Now coming up to the B2C business, say suppose we need to know more about our client or our potential customers. So what we can do is, say suppose we have a new client, say suppose, I'll take any of the new client. So these are the filters. So I can choose any of the client over from here. So say suppose I particularly choose So this is my client for which I need to fetch on all the information. I just need to click on enrich data. I'll go to Finrich, profile enrich. I can either enrich through email or phone. I need to just submit it up, and you'll see the magic. All the information, all the corporate details of this particular potential customer of mine get fetched into the system. So these are the various features which we have into the system. Now coming up to the help. What help documents do we provide? So to access the help documents, you simply need to go to help. You need to go to documentation, and through this documentation you can have all the important documents which you need to follow for any of the systems. So suppose you need to know more about the CRM, how the CRM works into a system, so you can go to the CRM and all these doc types will be automatically fetched for you. So say suppose you need to know more about the lead creation, you can go to lead creation, and all these things related to lead, its creation, its customization, all these things can be available to you in just a click. So these are the help documents which we provide. Other than that, you can just go to our website onehash.ai. You can just sign up into our system, or if you want to know more about the system, you want one of our resource to be engaged with you and give you a good brief about the system, you can book a free demo with us. Let me show you all the integrations which we provide. So you can integrate your favorite apps. All these apps are the one which we provide for the integration. Other than that, if you want to have this in your app, you can download it from Play Store or App Store. And other than that, if you want to get help, so you can get help through the email support, the support documentation, and so on. So this is about us. This is about OneHash.ai. So what are you waiting for? Go sign up and have a free trial of 15 days and just explore the system, play with the system. And if you face any doubts, any queries, we're always there to support you.
Absolutely, absolutely. And guys, as you saw, you can just grab a free trial or you can just go grab the lifetime deal. Anything is fine because you have the refund policy for the lifetime deal. So no worries, we got you covered in that way as well. So ask away your questions about OneHash and we will answer them. So this was like a quick webinar where we showed you inside of OneHash, how it works, etc., and how you can use it for your business. So ask away your questions, guys. We are waiting for your questions, and until then, let me see who are interacting with us. Adarsh is here, and then Ohidul Alam is here. Hi, Ohidul. How are you doing? And yep, interesting, interesting. Yep. So one question that we have is how many users that come under the existing lifetime deal?
Okay, so for one coupon, we provide 5 users, and you can slack up to 5 coupons. That is, you can have up to 25 users.
Interesting, interesting. Another question that we have here is, let me have a look at it. How do you compare with a similar tool like Enterprise? Do you know what that tool is like?
So I think Anand is the best person to answer this question. So Anand, can you take this question?
Sure, Olivia. Thanks for the question. So Minank, can you please repeat the question once so that will be more clearer to the entire audience?
Yes. So how do you compare it with Enterprise?
Right. So there are a couple of things which you get as an add-on on OneHash. The first thing is the pricing. PitchGround is giving a wonderful lifetime deal. So you get 25 users, up to 25 users at 49 per coupon. So it's a win-win situation for the company. The second thing is the integrations that we offer. We are almost integrated with all your favorite apps, you name it, and we have it on our platform. The third and the most important thing is the service quality and how we handle your projects. So we customize the project as per your requirements, right? We understand your business processes in detail, and then we lay out the entire framework for you, the kind of reports that you want, the kind of structure as per your organization needs. So you will find it with us. And of course, we are there round the clock to address your concerns, your queries. What matters the most is how you handle your customers in the service industry. And we are there on our toes to help you with all the problems or all the queries that you face.
Awesome, awesome. And will this system interact and sync with Shopify? Is another question that we are asking.
Yeah, so you can have your you can integrate your Shopify through OneHash. You need to have the valid APIs, as in when you enter into the system, you're good to go.
Awesome, awesome, awesome. And is this tool a white label of any other product or has been developed from scratch? This is the question that we've been getting a lot. So let's put this like once and for all. Yeah.
Yeah. So Anand, I'll just pass this question to you, please.
So Minank, of course, this question has been quite repetitive. It is, based on a free open source platform, of course. But then there are a couple of additions that we have done to the open source that's available, and we have come up with an altogether a fully loaded system. And we have, over a period of time, when we were using the open source, we realized that there are, certain links which are missing. So we have put in all the pieces together, and we have come up with a beautiful product which will cater to all the requirements of any organization. So the fitment will be there, your needs will be catered to, and you will have a good time with us.
Absolutely, absolutely. So, yep. Any more questions, guys? Bring it on. We are ready to answer them all. So, let's see. So, yep, there are no more questions. So, thank you, Anand, for answering all the questions.
Thanks, Minank.
Thank you. And I'm going to quickly share my screen, and let me just go for it. So guys, this is the lifetime deal that you're having. Alifia, I hope you can see my screen.
Yes, Minank, your screen is visible.
Awesome, awesome. So this link, guys, it will be there above or below this video, wherever you're watching it from. As I see, this is like only one pricing plan. That's like the $49 unlimited plan. You guys love unlimited stuff, so yes, this is the plan that we've got. Only just one plan, no other big, small, or we're not restricting any kind of modules or anything. Everything is open here. All 9 modules come under it. So you can, ask away your questions in the discussions tab. If you have any more doubts, if you missed this webinar, if you're catching the replay, you can ask every single, we answer every single question. So ask away all the questions. If you're watching more replays, you have done a webinar before as well, you can just go in the video tab on the PitchGround website and then watch the use cases, etc. We made 3 use cases, so you can just watch it. This webinar, which you're just watching it right now, it will be added here as well. So, yep. So these are the details you can mention. You can just read it. I'm not just gonna read all of it. You're intelligent, you know it. So read it. You already watched it, watch the replay, and you'll get to know. That's it. So $49 lifetime deal, guys. One of the most affordable lifetime deals available on the PitchGround website. And that's it for this webinar. Alifia, thank you so much for presenting the users with, yeah. Thank you so much. And yep, have a great evening, everyone. Bye.
Bye.